Atomic Habits by James Clear. The most practical way to change who you are is to change what you do. Number one, decide the type of person you want to be. Number two, prove it to yourself with small wins. First, decide who you want to be. This holds at any level, as an individual, as a team, as a community, as a nation. What do you want to stand for? What are the principles and values? What do you wish to become? These are big questions, and many people aren't sure where to begin, but they do not know what kind of results they want: to get a six pack or abs, to feel less anxious, or to double their salary. That's fine. Start there and work backward from the results you want to the type of person you could who could get those results. Ask yourself, who is the type of person that could get the outcome I want? Who is the type of person that could lose 40 pounds? Who is the type of person that could learn a new language? Who is the type of person that could run a successful startup business? For example, who is the type of person who could write a book? Shifts from writing a book outcome based to being the type of person who is consistent and reliable, identity based. This process can lead to beliefs like, I'm the kind of teacher who stands for students. I'm the kind of doctor who gives each patient the time and empathy they need. I'm the kind of manager who advocates for her employees. Once you have a handle on the type of person you want to be, you can begin taking small steps to reinforce your desired identity. You got it. So this is important lessons. I highly recommend you should read this book to change your perspective, your narrative on the person you can become. If you want to build a startup business, if you want to lose weight, if you want to actually set new or learn a new skill set, and you want to amplify or sharpen or become great and excellent in that skill set, this book will help you just to stay consistent pursuing your reality, your dream, your outcome based vision that you have upon your career or your life.